After you run out of ideas, there are a few tricks that you can use to generate even more keywords and ideas. Now, I don't want you to worry about having too long of a list because we're going to narrow that down with research, and it's definitely better to start with a longer list that you can narrow down than to not have enough and have to start the process over again. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to turn to Google. So let's go with landscaping services. When I type in landscaping services, you'll notice that it starts generating automatically some suggested keywords for me to enter. So you'll notice here, since this is service-based, and this is often, if you're talking about landscaping services, this is often going to be targeted towards a specific location. So it starts generating some popular areas. And if I keep typing in some other words like companies, you'll see that it generates some different keywords for me. So let's say I just type in landscaping services. You can go ahead and pull some of those keywords that it's giving you. Of course, if you're looking for a particular location, you're only going to want to use the surrounding areas that the business can actually serve. However, if you're more open, you can gather several of those. But if I go ahead and do the search for landscaping services, the next thing that you can do is scroll all the way to the bottom of Google, and you'll see here the searches related to landscaping services. Now you have several more keywords, and these are going to be popular keywords typically. Landscaping services list, landscaping services prices, landscaping design services, so that's a keyword that I didn't brainstorm. That may be a good one to add to the list. Landscaping services offered, residential landscaping services. So this has already expanded my search. I can also go ahead and click on one of the searches here. And if I do the same thing and scroll down, it's going to give me even more ideas that I may or may not be able to use. So I can go through to those different searches and I can look for all these related keywords and add them to my list if they're related.